Hello everyone. Today, we will explore the Odoo Cloudflare Turnstile Authentication, a seamless and secure way to verify users during login or sign up on Odoo websites. This integration enhances security and user experience. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video.
First, we need to log in with our admin credentials. After that, navigate to the Settings menu. Under the Settings menu, go to General Settings, and within General Settings, navigate to the Developer Tools. Enable the Developer mode. Next, go to the Website menu. Under the Website menu, search for Cloudflare. In the Cloudflare Turnstile section, you'll see two options. The first one is the Cloudflare Site Key, and the second one is the Cloudflare Secret Key. We have to enter these keys and click on the Save button. After it loads, go back to the Website menu. You'll find a list of website names. Choose the website where you want to activate the Turnstile Authenticator. Open it and you'll see an option to enable CAPTCHA Turnstile. Enable this. Once enabled, a new tab called Turnstile Settings will appear. Under this tab, multiple options are available. The first option is to enable it on the sign-in page. Enable this and click on the Save button. Let's verify this on the front end. As you can see, Cloudflare Turnstile is now activated on the sign-up page. Now let's go back to the backend to activate another option. Enabling Turnstile Authenticator on the checkout page. Click the Save button and verify.
To verify, I've logged in with my credentials. I'll open the shop page and select a product to add to the cart. On the checkout page, you'll see the Cloudflare Turnstile option displayed. Now let's move on to enabling Turnstile for additional sections of the website. Enable it and click Save, then verify it. It opens on the Contact Us page, and yes, Cloudflare is now active there too. Next, enable it on the Reset Password page. Click Save and verify. You'll see it's now active there as well. Let's verify one more. Enable it on the Add to Cart button on the product page. Save this, then go to the shop, open any product, and you'll see Cloudflare Turnstile is enabled there too. So, the Turnstile settings from the backend are now fully configured. Thank you. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uedesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.